going on, everyone? The original intro I shot for this video got corrupted, so here's a quick one in my backyard. Anyways, we're catfishing. This is my first time actually going for catfish with decent gear. Any catfish pros out there are gonna love the stuff I do. This is gonna be entertaining for you. Anyways, let's just get fishing. Alright, I have actually personally never fished for catfish. I mean, I've tried, but I didn't know what I was doing. And this is a rig I made up. This is what made sense to me. I didn't watch a video or anything. Just got our sliding egg sinker. I don't even know how heavy it is. Then we just got a little swivel to stop it, and then I'd say about 2 feet of leader, 2.5. And then we just have this, I don't even know if this is a circle hook or not. It just looks like it would work. Goal is just chuck it out there by the bridge, hopefully not get snagged, and see what we can get with this. Yeah, so for bait, I just have some night crawlers that I bought. Big old plump night crawlers. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just put this whole thing on there. He should cover up the hook nicely. There we go. Oh yeah, that's gotta get one. And if that doesn't, I'm hopefully gonna try and get some cut bait. Maybe if I get a smallmouth bass, I might also cook it up and then steal part of it for cut bait. But yeah, let's go ahead and cast this boy out there. First cast of the day. Send it. Oh. Alright, I like the looks of that. Just gonna go ahead and let that sink, give it some line. Oh, I also need to make a rod holder. That should be a priority. I actually want to make a rod holder before we go any farther. So, got here my handy dandy little chopping knife. My brother made this for me. Forged it and everything, made the handle. It's honestly one of the coolest things I have. We're just looking for a straight shoot with some sort of a fork in it. Just anything I could make a sturdy little rod holder. Okay. I like the looks of that a lot, and it's dead. Nice. There we go. Yeah, that should do. That will work just fine. Sweet. Honestly, should set it up right here. Whoa, I didn't even realize this. Look at all these shells. Just freshwater snails and mussels, and wow, there are so many. That's actually absurd. That's so cool. Alright, well, it's time to recast. Jeez, I made this rig out of what I had in my my trout fishing box, so if it works, I'm gonna be pretty pleased. Yeah, it's cast in the same spot, maybe a bit farther. Alright, I like that. Okay, the catfish rod is actually set and looking good. That's a good feeling. Let's go ahead and get our trout rod set up. Wow, this thing's tiny compared to that boy. Okay, I think I'm just gonna chuck on some sort of like a spinner. See if we can get a smallmouth. Okay, so my original one is not working out. My original rod holder. But we've got an interesting shape here. I'm wondering if we just cut this back a little. Oh yeah. That is so much better too. Sweet. Okay, we got a good rod holder. Let's rig up. I'm gonna go even farther out, cast out, get it in there, and then we should be smooth sailing. The line will stay much above the water and not have to deal with the current as much. And I think we'll actually have a shot at a catfish. All right, here we go. Send it. Ugh. Oh shoot, we have a boat. Oh shoot. That out. Here come the waves. Not ideal. Guess finally we're back. Oh, and we're getting a bite. Fish on, baby. Wait, what? That is not a catfish. It's a smallmouth. Oh, please. I think that's 12. They have to be 12 to keep. Okay, I'm not trying to hurt you, buddy, so here. Oh, let's let our hands. Yeah, get you back in the water. How far down did you take that hook? I don't have a tape measure, but what I do have is my phone. Okay, I'm gonna put my pinky there. I don't think he's 12. He's not 12. Yeah, you really... Oh, we got it out. Well, good sized smallmouth. Let's get him back. Dang it, I thought we had a catfish on. Let's go ahead and revive him and just get him back in the water. You good? Oh, he's good. Either way, that's kind of surprising on this rig. I was expecting no fish or a catfish. Okay, that's a good cast. And just chuck it in the rod holder. In the meantime, let's go get a smallmouth. See if we can get a 12-inch or bigger smallmouth. Okay, no bites yet. Oh, we're gonna bite, we're gonna bite. We are getting a bite. Oh yeah, we are getting a bite. Fish on, we got a fish. Oh, I think it's a cat. I think we got a cat. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, it's fighting hard. Oh, yeah. Gonna let some drag loose. Oh, yeah. I think we got a cat. This will be my first cat if we do. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah, he's... Oh, there he is. Oh, it's a cat. It's a big cat. Wait. Yeah, no, it's a catfish. It's a catfish. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh, it's a good eating size. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, first cat. First cat in my entire life. Move that over there. Oh, yes. Yes, dude, yes. We got him. We got the first cat. We are going to be frying our catfish. Our oil is all heated up now. And we're gonna be frying our catfish in panko. So we're gonna just go ahead and drop our panko in here, or some. Enough to coat our catfish. That's not enough. Actually, let's just go ahead and put the whole thing in there. It'll be easier. Okay, so in here we have our fillets. And in this little bin, we have egg wash. I'm just gonna pour it straight in there, get it on these guys. Okay. Oh yeah, they're gonna be nice and eggy. They're just sitting in the egg wash, and I'm going to, actually I'll just season them when they're on the pan so I don't waste seasoning. So yeah, we're ready to go ahead and pull them out of this bag and put them in the panko. Oh yeah. All right, and our oil should be hot enough, so let's just go ahead, shake off all that excess. Oh yeah, in fact, I think that oil's a little bit too hot, so well, let's go ahead and put the second guy in there. Second piece in. Okay. Oh, that just smells so good already. I'm gonna wash my hands. We'll chuck some seasonings on there. So for seasoning, I just have some Zatarain's blackened seasoning. Never tried this stuff on fish yet, so get a nice generous dose on both of these guys. That looks incredible. We're gonna pop a lid on that guy. Oh my gosh. All right, folks. I have in this little container just a little bit of tartar sauce. Just gonna pour that on there. Let that be the base. Gonna start off with just a couple of pickles. There we go. We're gonna chuck in some of this shredded lettuce. And then we're gonna grab some of this sliced tomato. This is actually homegrown. I think some friends gave it to us. So, oh, there's people right next to me getting in the water. That's sweet. All right. Oh my god. Thought we ran out of time. It's made. All is said and done. I'm taking a bite. There's no way to eat this clean. This is so good. Oh. This was all worth it. It's so good. I'm getting the Zatarain's blackened seasoning in there. Tomatoes and the pickles are just saving it.